Hello everyone. In the last video, we have discussed about the numerical, which was based on controllability. So today, the problem is based on observability. We will solve a problem and we will check whether the system is observable or not. So let's see the problem. Here it is given that verify the observability of a control system which is represented in a state space model. So you have given a state space equation here, which is this, and then output equation. This, what we need to do is we will start doing the solution now. What we need to do, we have to compare these two equation with the standard equation. Means this is given as the state equation. We will compare this equation with the standard state equation, and this is the output equation. We will compare this output equation to the standard output equation. So see, the standard state equation is this. Here x dot is this one, it is the A matrix, this is the X, and this is the B matrix, this is U. So standard output equation is this one. We have y equals to C into X. Here D is not given and U is not given. So I'll tell you the things which have not given in the question, how we use them in the for the solution. So start. So we will apply the Kalman's test. Okay. Here I have written whatever things are given, A, B, C and D. See, D is not given here. So we assume D equals to 0. The things which have not been mentioned in the question, you will take them as 0. So we will follow the Kalman's test as we have did in the controllability. What we are going to do is, this Kalman test have two steps. The first one is we have to derive a matrix, or we can say observability matrix, which we will denote as Q naught. Okay, QO also we can say that. So how we are going to write this? We can write this C transpose A transpose C transpose. This T stands for transpose. So A transpose square C transpose up to A transpose n minus 1 CT. So here the value of n matters, and we are going to see this matrix. It is n into n, n into n matrix means 2 into 2 2 into 2 matrix. This is n into 1 matrix. So here the value of n we get 2. So when we put the value of n here, we will limit this value up to here. So we will get Q naught equals to C transpose and A transpose into C transpose. So first we will get C transpose. C is given here. After doing the transpose, we will get 1 and 1 in this form. And C, this is A transpose. See, this is A transpose. It is given as minus 2, we did the transpose now. Now we also need A transpose into C transpose. We will first multiply this and we will get the solution, which will become minus 1 and minus 2. So we'll put the value of Q matrix Q0 or QO. So we'll get 1. 1 means C transpose and A transpose C transpose minus 1 minus 2. So this is the matrix. The other step is we have to find the determinant of this matrix, and then we will check the system is stable or is observable or not. So now this we will take the determinant. It will become minus 1. So hence it is not equal to 0. It means system is observable. If the system will will come as equal to 0, it is unobservable. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have understood clearly.